Well, if this drug issue is, if it is true, as shown by some channel yesterday, then definitely it's a very serious matter, because the family, when it got the FIR registered, there was an impression that Sushant was being over-drugged. But when we said over-drugged, we meant prescription drug, which is being administered on the instruction of some psychiatrist. And if you give an overdose, then it can, disturb the mental balance of somebody. But now, if what has been disclosed is correct, then this is actually banned drug. Now, if it is banned drug, then firstly, this will lead to definitely abetment to suicide as well as murder, either of the two. And lastly, there will be a Narcotics Control Bureau issue also, because then who are the suppliers? They will also have to be arrested. So definitely the scope of these proceedings will widen quite substantially. And I feel that now the matter is getting very, very serious. And hopefully some very major breakthrough should come from the CBI. Well, this inquiry has already been initiated now, so that way what she has been asking has already been fulfilled, because she's been asking for a CBI inquiry for a very long time. And finally now it has happened. That as far as her demand is concerned, the demand itself fully gets satisfied. But what the family is very anxious about is the quick, action to be taken pursuant to this inquiry or investigation. And arrest should take place, and charge sheet should be done immediately, so that trial could start at the earliest. Well, whether Riya took any drug or didn't take any drug is not the issue at all here. That may only be an issue for the purpose of corroborating the fact about those chats. The real fact is that whether she was responsible in administering something to Sushant contrary to his will or without his knowledge. That is the real question. So it looks like, because why would somebody say give 4 drops and give it in his tea and coffee and it will kick in 30-40 minutes, if that is the correct WhatsApp chat, and if that is the way things were operating in the household of Sushant Singh Rajput at that point of time, then it's a very serious matter, and Riya taking or not taking drugs is really immaterial in this matter. Mumbai police, of course, has been trying to cover up this matter, because instead of doing an investigation, in an inquest proceeding, they were calling everybody from Bollywood. And what is the jurisdiction to call somebody and make him wait for 4 hours and 5 hours? Top producers and directors were being called and made to sit whole day for a so-called inquiry when no FIR had been registered. Ultimately, everybody's time is important. Why should somebody go and sit in Mumbai Police's office? So the whole purpose was to deflect the people from the real case to an imaginary case, and then give it a burial in the hope that public memory is short and people will forget things very soon, and the moment Sushant Singh gets out of the memory of the people, the matter can be given a decent burial. But fortunately, the family is fighting very hard, strong fight. Family is not going to give up. And what I have noticed in the last 1 month, that the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput all over the world are very, very restive, and they are also demanding justice. So because of both these factors, I don't think Mumbai police could have done this. And now that the CBI has actually taken over the investigation, we feel that we are in safe hands and something should happen very soon. Thank you. देखिए, अगर ये ड्रग वाला जो मामला है, परिवार को अभी तक जो हमने FIR में लिखा था, हमने ओवर ड्रगिंग की बात की थी, और जो ड्रगिंग हम ओवर ड्रगिंग हमारा मतलब था वो था प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग, कि भाई जो एक ड्रग एक इतने मात्रा में पड़ना चाहिए उसको ज़्यादा मात्रा में दे दीजिए तो कहीं ना कहीं मानसिक स्थिति खराब कर सकती है. लेकिन अगर ये बात सही है कि तो बैन ड्रग्स इनको दिया जा रहा था, तब तो बहुत ही सीरियस मामला है, और इसमें तो कई पहलू ऐसे आ जाएंगे. नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो भी आ जाएगा, और जिस तरह से सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के बारे में हमने पूरा का पूरा एलिगेशन लगाया है, वो अब धीरे धीरे सारा कुछ लगता है साबित होते नजर आ रहा है, अगर इसमें सच्चाई इस एलिगेशन में अगर पाई गई तो. धन्यवाद.